Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Wrangler.
Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability.
This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, rear all-terrain, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, convertible soft top. Come see the car for yourself.